Hello everyone. This is going to be a defrost issue on a Whirlpool side by side. This has the adaptive defrost control. As you can see, the ice buildup on the wall. What I'm going to do here, instead of defrosting that and getting back there, I'm going to test everything from the control board, or the adaptive defrost control. And there's 2 points here. It's a P4 white wire and a P22 brown. I'm going to clip my meter there, and I'm going to take a reading and check the ohms resistance on that. These boards are kind of expensive, so I want to make sure it's that board. So what I'm going to do here on the tech manual, I'm going to check to see what my resistance should be. In there you should see 27 to 21 ohms, and that proves my heater's good. And there's also a testing terminal for the bimetal here, and basically it's a pigtail coming off of that, and I'm doing a continuity test there, and it's showing me that it's closed. So with these two readings here, I'm able to tell that and isolate the problem to that board. And that's just to keep you from taking it apart and presenting it to the customer.